Hey guys, it is Monday. What's the date today? Something, 20 something? Yeah. If I sound a little out of breath, I just got back from the gym and I haven't been in a while. But yes, my tree is still up. It's ridiculous. But I wanted to wait until I was past like my keto flu stage. I didn't really feel that bad, but it does kind of feel like you don't have a lot of energy. But now that I'm getting into like week 3, no, I'm out of week 3, now I'm into week 4 of being on keto again, and my energy level is coming back. So I went to the gym, I did 45 minutes. I just went on the elliptical, and yeah, I just wanted to burn some calories and get it, you know, back in, and get my body flowing again, basically. And then the next time I go, I'll do some cardio and also do some weight training, because my arms, and basically everything needs some toning. I got 2 packages, one from Walmart, and then this one is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is something I had never heard of, but they reached out to me and asked if I want to try it. So I checked out some videos of other people using it and it looks really interesting. So I didn't have anything other than water so far. So I am going to make some coffee. I'm going to cool down a little bit first before I drink it, drink some more water, and kind of start my day. I'm going to do some computer work and then shower and maybe do some videos. So we're getting ready here. I'm going to use my Gudetama mug. All right, we got our Gudetama coffee. Got some MCT in there. This is my little package from Walmart. This is like super simple, nothing exciting. It's Fruit of the Loom. These little bralettes are super comfy. I actually have on a white one right now. So this little pack had a pink, 2 white, and a black. I got a 34 because the only thing I'm running into with the ones I have now that are a 36 is they're getting a little bit loose. So I decided to get them where they'd be a little bit more snug in the beginning. That way they could loosen up a little bit. And then I got this. So this was the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. And I believe this is like a subscription box that partners with a new influencer every time. I'm not 100% sure. I will definitely be showing you guys this in a video. But this is the box. This one was created with Sadia Slay. She is really pretty, and I watched her video using the products. It's really cute. So there's lots of stuff in here. There's brushes, there's a headband, liner, lip, and then here there's eyeshadows, glitter glue, and glitter. So there's a lot to this. I'll have to look up more details so I can tell you guys that 100% perfectly, so I have all the information. But those are 2 little packages I got. I may be getting something else today, but I'm not 100% sure. If so, I will show you. But now it's time to relax, have some coffee, reply to some emails, and start my day. So we saw that we didn't have any flavors for our coffee, and I have to have it. Ooh, I look awful. So I'm going into TJ Maxx, hopefully gonna find some because it's been kind of not so good lately, and I'll try to vlog a little bit. Hey guys, I look rough as hell, but I really need to buy shoes. My combat boots and my favorite Nikes are tearing up. Yeah, because I wear them all the time. So I'm at TJ Maxx. It's kind of hit or miss whether we'll find something. There's also a shoe store next door, and then, you know, if not, we'll just look elsewhere. But I really need them. Like, the heel of my combat boots is like completely tearing apart. So I don't know what I'm doing to my shoes. But anyway, so we're gonna go in TJ Maxx now.
I do.
Do you?
I do.
It's like a routine at this point. Alright, so I can't find shoes anywhere. So now we're really taking a shot in the dark. But you never know. You just never know. So I haven't been vlogging lately, but it is Valentine's Day, and guess where we are? Can you see? Why can't I work the camera? But we're doing a little shopping before dinner because hopefully it won't be so busy everywhere. We want to go to Outback. I want some Outback. So we're gonna just do a little shopping and let it get a little bit later and hopefully not so crowded. We'll see. Hey guys, it is Sunday, the 16th of February. When I started this vlog, it was the 20-something of January. I don't know what I've been doing, but apparently vlogging is definitely not something I've been doing. But look at this precious baby beside me. My goodness. Goodness. I'm doing laundry. I'm doing all sorts of things. And my house is like a wreck right now. But the Christmas tree is gone. In case you were semi-judging earlier, I wouldn't blame you. But that was still January when the Christmas tree was up. We took the trees down maybe 2 weeks ago. I still have literal Christmas presents sitting right here. Like, I've just been so lazy. My closet laundry situation is a huge mess. I bought another laundry basket because I just don't have time to get to everything. And I'm working on cleaning off the bar, which I just put everything here. You know what I mean? Everything. Also, I have already picked the winner of my big Instagram giveaway, and I'm going to start a new one very soon, but I still need to pick the winner for my YouTube giveaway. So yeah, you guys be patient, but there will be more to come. So there's always more to come, I promise. Also, I got the cutest package from Winky Lux. If you didn't see it on my Instagram stories, then they sent me a box. So one of these palettes I actually already had, but I thought it was the same one, so I grabbed it. But it's actually 2 different palettes, and they sent everything else in here. Can't wait to try these goodies with you. I also just got this package from Nug on Valentine's Day. It's so cute. So it's got a little card in here with their new lip scrubs, and I do have my code, so if you're interested you can just put in Amy, and it's 15% off if you're spending $25 and you get free shipping. So you add $25 to your cart, you'll get 15% off of that, and you won't have to pay for shipping. So it's a good deal. And they sent me the Coffee Fix lip scrub. Yes, I need this. My lips are so like cracked right now, just horrible. And then the Berry Dream strawberry lip scrub. Ooh, I'm so excited. And they also included some of the little Sugarfina lips. I love these. So I'm gonna have this little treat. We have been cheating on keto for a little bit now. I was so sick that I just craved pizza, and eventually we just broke down. So we've been off keto for a little bit, just kind of relaxing it because I don't know, I did not have it in me to continue. I'm burning a couple candles that are like, this one's really low. I'm just burning this one because it's almost done. Caramel apple. And then I'm also burning white caramel cold brew. It smells so good in here. Interesting combination. So that is that. That's my little package. For Valentine's Day, I got a couple strawberry pound cake candles. I love this one. And I had already told Zach, like, I love this candle so much, like 4 times. But I thought this would be my favorite. But he also got me blueberry pie. And oh my God, this one is so amazing. Literal fresh blueberry pie. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh my God, it's like a dream. It smells like really decadent blueberry muffins that are like right out of the oven. It's so amazing. Highly recommend both of those, but that blueberry, bro. So glad I got that one. Oh my goodness. Look at this boy. Oh, your fat belly. Oh, your fat belly and your 45 nipples. Okay. And then I also got this blanket, so cute, and the cat's got me some chocolates. But yeah, I love this blanket. It's adorable. And I have put away Christmas, like literally everything. I had a couple more things just randomly out, and I'm washing blankets to store away. And I have redone my mantle. So this is like my generic spring mantle, I guess you would say. I've just got some glass jars, faux flowers, corks, cotton candles, very eclectic. I think it's cute. I don't know. It's pretty basic. I just threw some stuff up there. And Keanu is still going strong on the couch. And that's my life. So I will update you guys later. Right now it's a mess. I'm doing laundry and I'm gonna get back to work. Yay. Hey guys, so it is now Monday. Is it I think it's the 17th, and I can't believe how all over the place my vlogging has been. Like, I've been barely doing it, but I figured really quick I could sit down. I only have like 10 minutes before I need to leave for work, but I do have my Allure beauty box, and I really didn't feel like doing a dedicated unboxing because literally all my videos lately have been unboxings. So I just figured I could show it to you guys really quick. I also have on the Natasha Denona Love palette. It is so beautiful, and then I have JEFFREE STAR doll parts on my lips. So I just went for something pinky. I've been doing a lot of pinky looks, but you know, it's February, it's that time of year. So let's go ahead and open this. This is the February Allure beauty box, and let me know if you guys are interested in seeing this every month or not. It's probably like, at this point, if I were to cancel one, it would be this one. Not that it's like been terrible, but it's very hit and miss. So at any rate, let's see. So I got something from Wander Beauty. This is Wondrous Glow. Oh, they really got it taped up. I don't have time. I don't have time for this, you annoying packaging. Oh, and there's so much stuff going on in my personal life lately that I want to tell you guys about, but it's probably not the best time. This is after hours. Anything work related, obviously, you have to be a little bit careful about. It's really pretty. You know, putting on the internet. I don't know, there can be repercussions for sharing too much. So at this point, obviously I'm not. So that's a little highlighter. There will definitely come a time where I'm going to share more. I don't know when that is. It's been a little rough lately, I would say over the past like week. I got this NYX brush. It said number 3 is all it says, but it seems like a really nice one. It's like dense, but there's still got movement in it. It feels really nice. I definitely could see myself using this for like powder or bronzer. It doesn't say what specifically this one's for, but I can see myself bronzing with this. I could probably blush with this, a little powder. There's a lot you could do with this size of a brush, so really versatile. That fits in nicely with all my other black handled brushes. I got this Olay Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. It's got a coupon in there as well. I probably am not going to give this a try. Not that there's anything wrong with Olay, but just because I have so much. And I'll pass that along to someone else. I got a Cargo Essential Lip Color. This is in Punta Cana. This is the box right here. I have like this scarring memory of Cargo that like makes me not want to use it, but they have these glitter pencils, like glitter eyeliners, and a sharpened pencil. I put it on my eye, my regular eye line, and glitter got into my eye and like scratched my eye up. It was not a good experience, so ever since then I've never really touched Cargo products. Like, not that there's anything wrong with them as a whole, but you know, just kind of like a scarring experience. And you guys know I've been uploading my lip declutters. I'm not going to hold on to this lip. It's a pretty color. It's a little bit more, you know, red pink than what I have on. It's a pretty color, don't get me wrong, but I am not really interested in adding a lot to my collection right now after I just kind of decluttered everything. I got a little Belief Aqua Bomb. This will also be passed on to someone or put into a giveaway. Aqua Bombs are really better for oilier skin and I am drier. And then we got the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. I have heard good things about their skincare, but again, I have so much skincare that like, why hold on to it, you know? So I'm probably just going to keep, oh, there's a mask in here. I hardly saw that on the bottom. This is the Super Beauty mask in rose, and it's cute. Very girly pinky. I'm probably only going to keep the brush and the Wander Beauty highlight for myself, and just, you know, the rest of this I'm just gonna put aside for, you know, sharing, giveaways, whatever. I've got so much giveaway stuff right now, it's insane. Also, I have reached out to my YouTube giveaway winner, the big one that was like the mixed bag of stuff, and she hasn't reached back out yet, so I'm giving her a little bit of time, and if it's a couple more days and I don't hear anything, I'll pick a new winner. But check those Instagram DMs, because I would hate to, like, you know, them see the message later on and be like, oh, sorry, I picked another winner. So I'm giving her some time, and that is really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it was really random and it was spaced out way too much, and I'll try to do a better job of, like, you know, either vlog or not vlog, one or the other, because it's been like I'll vlog and then 5 days later I'll vlog again, and it's hard to like follow along. But I do have a lot of stuff going on, and I'm trying to decide, you know, what the near future holds. I continue to try to think about ways that I can do this more, and, you know, obviously I love it, so I want to do this more because it makes me happy. So, you know, if you find something that you love doing, obviously you want to do that. It's just, oh, this mascara is flaking. I have on Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir, and I usually don't have this problem, but today this mascara is flaking. I usually don't have an issue, so I don't know what combination of things is going on that's causing that. Whatever, I can't talk. Also, you can tell I have stuff everywhere, like this room is a mess. Tomorrow I am off, and I will probably start a new vlog and actually keep up with it better, but I need to get this room in order, so I'll definitely do some cleaning and stuff, but I'll keep it a little bit more concise. So sorry if this vlog was annoying because it was all over the place, you know? And I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you had a good Valentine's Day. Don't forget, right now I have 3 giveaways open, so they are all JEFFREE STAR Mystery Box items. 2 of them are the videos here on YouTube, and then I have 1 on Instagram. That one is just a look of me. It's like my 3rd post back, I think, but it's just a look. But if you swipe right, I'm holding the 2 items. It's the mirror and the palette. So make sure you enter all of them if you're interested, so that way you have all the chances. And then I will do another, you know, Insta YouTube giveaway really soon. I may post that tomorrow, maybe not, depending. But yeah, I'll get that together for you really soon. So I hope you guys are doing so well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.